Hi there, students. To play on something, particularly to play on somebody's fears or somebody's weaknesses or somebody's insecurities, you deliberately use these things in order to persuade that person to do what you want to do. So the politician was playing on the voters' fear of change. Yeah. Ask my grandmum to lend you some money because she's a soft touch. Play on her generosity and she'll give you some money, which is what you're looking for. So this is to exploit the feelings or the weaknesses of another person to your own advantage. Yeah, to do this in an unfair way. The salesman was playing on his sense of patriotism to get him to buy the book, to play on somebody's fears. Yeah, these advertisements for for fire alarms or for burglar alarms that play on people's insecurities and fears. Yeah, playing on people's concerns in order to sell your products, to exploit the weak point of somebody, to take advantage of that. Let's see, to play on. You could have a play on words. Yeah, so it's a play on words. It's a humorous use of a word or various words that sound similar. So a pun is a play on words. So for example, The Importance of Being Earnest, a play by Oscar Wilde, is a play on words, because you could understand it as the importance of being serious about things, doing things in earnest. But in the play, the character is called Ernest, and I'm not sure Ernest is actually that earnest. Or the dewdrop in, D-E-W-D-R-O-P, in, yeah, is a play on words. Do drop in, please come in. This is a play on words, so it's using words that sound like other things. Yeah, it's an amusing way of doing things, at least for the English it is. Play on, I guess, yeah, everybody is trying to get the referee to stop. He says, no, play on, continue to play. Yeah, don't stop. Yeah, just play on. And that actually reminds me, in cricket as well, many of you don't play cricket, if you hit the ball and the ball then goes onto your stumps, that is to play on. Yeah, or if the batsman actually hits his stumps as well, that's to play on. Okay, so you could also play a light on something. Yeah, we went into the haunted house and I played my torch on the various architectural features. Yeah, the fireman played water on the burning building. Yeah, in the theatre they played the spotlight on the leading actor. The light played on the glass chandelier, and it had all sorts of reflections. Yeah. Okay, so play on, but I think the most important one is to exploit some belief, some attitude. Yeah, advertisers are always trying to play on people's fear. Yeah, you're going to miss out if you don't buy my product. Yeah. Okay, so to play on somebody's insecurities. A play on words, things that sound similar, to make a joke. Yeah, that's an English way of doing it, of humour. So enough. Let's see, formality. To play on somebody's insecurities. I'm going to give that 4.5. I think I'm even going to give it 5 in formality. Maybe 4.5. Use informally, use semi-formally, use in a semi-formal writing, perhaps not in a very formal writing. I played the light on the architectural features, shone. The light played on the glass, 5 in formality. Use anywhere, maybe even 5.5 in formality. A play on words, 5 in formality. Use anywhere. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Play on.